everyone. Welcome to ichimokucharts.com daily analysis of the SP 500 for Wednesday, April 15th. Now it looks like the market actually did what we said it would yesterday. We thought that the green line here, which is one of the important indicators that we use with the Ichimoku charts, it's the Tankinson. It seems to have held as some sort of support. And that generally describes the trend in a very short time frame. We'll just quickly look at the other components and we'll come back to the Tankinson. But looking at the cloud, here is the cloud, or what's called the Kumo. The cloud twisted in this area here to be positive, which means that the market was beginning to have a bullish bent to it. We then traded up above the cloud over the last few days, which means that once again in the shorter term frame, bullish. And if we look at these two lines, the green line is the Tankinson, which is the faster line. The pink line is the Kijun-sen, the slower line. We can see that they're both pointing up. We can see that the Tankinson is above the Kijun-sen, which means that the market is bullish. And as I've said on many occasions, in a fast trending market, this green line, the Tankinson, tends to hold as an area of support or resistance. Once again, as we were trading down through this area, it held as an area of resistance. It's held as support in this area, rough support in this area, traded down through there a little bit, held as support there in combination with the top of the cloud, and then it seems to have held as support again last night. Now what we need to do though is wait for confirmation that this trend will continue on its way up, and we do that by looking to see the high of today's trading taken out. So this high was roughly 853. So if that's taken out, I would expect this trend to, this very fast moving second time frame trend to continue up on its way. Now we do still have a first time frame downtrend. We have a series of lower highs and lower lows, which means that we have a downtrend in the first time frame. We need a change of trend in the first time frame in the next candle, which means that we should have a higher high and a higher low here. So here, this line here, pointing up very strongly too, after a little bit of sideways movement, which reflected this little congestion or this retracement, and strongly pointing up at a steep angle, which means a lot of momentum. The candle again is green, a large body. It's moved well up through halfway of the previous red candle, and I think that all of this looks very bullish. What we don't want to see is for the low of yesterday to be taken out. If that low is taken out, then it means that we've probably taken out the Tankinson, which means that that we're losing the momentum that we had in this nice little uptrend. And if that was taken out, we'd look to the lows of these candles for support, and then for the top of the cloud. But I think this market is looking quite bullish. We need to look at resistance around this area, around the 877, and then up around probably up around the 919, 941. But I think it, on balance, it all looks quite bullish.